Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Peter. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Peter, last day what was your doubt about computer networks?
Sir, it's about the topic, the layers of OSI model.
It's simple. I can explain it to you.
Okay, sir.
First, we should know what is OSI model. The OSI model, Open Systems Interconnection Model, is a conceptual framework used to describe the functions of a networking system.
Okay, sir. Now what are the types?
There are 7 types and the first one is physical layer. It is the lowest layer of the OSI model is concerned with electrically or optically transmitting raw unstructured data bits across the network from the physical layer of the sending device to the physical layer of the receiving device. The next one is the data link layer. The data link layer, directly connected nodes are used to perform node-to-node data transfer where data is packaged into frames. The data link layer also corrects errors that may have occurred at the physical layer.
Okay, sir. What's the next layer?
The next one is the network layer. The network layer is responsible for receiving frames from the data link layer, and delivering them to their intended destinations based on the addresses contained inside the frame. Next is the transport layer. The transport layer manages the delivery and error checking of data packets. It regulates the size, sequencing, and ultimately the transfer of data between systems and hosts. Do you understand this layers, Peter?
Yes, sir.
Let's move on to the next one. It's the session layer. The session layer controls the conversations between different computers. And we also have the presentation layer. The presentation layer formats or translates data for the application layer based on the syntax or semantics that the application accepts. And the last layer is the application layer. At this layer, both the end user and the application layer interact directly with the software application. This layer sees network services provided to end-user applications such as a web browser or Office 365. The application layer identifies communication partners, resource availability, and synchronizes communication. Peter, are you now familiar with the layers of OSI model?
Yes, sir. Thanks for explaining this topic once more.
Welcome, Peter.